Mae'r swydd o bod yn ymchwilydd cyfoedion yn swydd sydd yn cynnwys llawer iawn o bethau. Yn gyntaf, mae rhaid i chi gallu cyfathrebu gyda pobl ifanc arall a hefyd gweithwyr sy'n gweithio ar y prosiect gyda Promo-Cymru a Mind Casnewydd.
At the beginning of the project, it was listening and trying to deepen my understanding of how to consult young people and how to make sure that in spaces when we are hearing young people's voices, that they feel comfortable and safe and willing to give the answers that they want to create a change.
Young people don't always get a chance to speak in a space where they feel safe and they feel like their voice can be heard.
Now it's more looking at the data and trying to open myself to taking different angles and approaches to understanding, now that we know what young people are saying, then what kinds of things they'd like to see as a change in mental health resources.